The Denison Gorge is on the North East Railway line near Lebrina, about 40 kilometres from Launceston. Access to the gorge is difficult today, but once it was a popular tourist destination. Look at the bits of metal broken off the rail.
Yeah.
The Launceston to Scottsdale North East Railway line was built between 1885 and 1889. The line reaches a height of over 1,000 feet and is 75 kilometres long. It was a very difficult line to build, with very rough and hilly terrain, necessitating large cuttings, sharp bends and a tunnel. Surveyors had great difficulty, sometimes not seeing more than 3 metres ahead. At one stage there was an altercation between 40 to 50 navvies and 2 police constables who were looking for sly grog shops. As the police approached the navvies, the men started hooting, and the police, feared that they were going to be attacked, adjusted their pistols, but they did find 2 sly grog shops. It certainly doesn't look in bad nick though, does it? Here we are, about to enter the Denison Gorge, complete with lunch. We're going for our picnic.
Still.
Yeah, should be all navvy work too. No machinery. I think a bloke wouldn't want to fall down there. Yeah, it's lethal. Those sleepers, aren't they?
But the sleepers are good, there's an odd one.
Yeah.
There's a couple, 3, 4.
In 1890, the gorge became hugely popular, and special trains were already being run in the first year of operation. A brochure printed by the Tasmanian Government Tourist Department described the beauties of the gorge. A weekday train service is run. Return ticket, single for 5 shillings first class, 3 shillings second class. 800 visitors went to the gorge on the Australia Day holiday in November 1891. Baskets were opened and glasses and cups dipped in the cool, sparkling water of the brook. Some lads have improvised a fishing line, and a few small mountain trout or blackfish reward their patience. The scene is truly an Arcadian one. Rounding a corner, a young lady, perched in a natural bower of ferns, is busy at some fancy work, looking like one of the nymphs in a pantomime. In October 1890, a shelter shed and ladies' waiting room were planned in order to cater for the increasing number of visitors. The gorge was described in a number of newspaper articles. Here was a home of the tree fern, whose feathery fronds formed a complete canopy. Rustic seats had been erected. A shriek of the whistle prompted a general move back to the line. In 1913, it was noted that the tracks and bridges had run down and were in need of maintenance. The seats had gone. In April 1950, there was a push to declare the area a scenic reserve, as the Railways Department had plans to cut timber in the area.
It's supposed to say Denison Gorge, I think.
Yeah, well, it cost me $110 a year, 2 years ago.
The Scottsdale line is now closed, and access to the gorge no longer exists. Little remains of the picnic ground tracks and bridges, but the rail line still looks in good order. I could see these banks up here from the drone because the sun was shining on the light rock. I think there's much point in going any further, is there? Bye.